Hello, hope you're having a great day. We are here at Highlands. This is in Oro Valley, Arizona, just north of Tucson. We are installing a solar thermal water heating system for the community pool. Here, this client qualified for the commercial Southwest Gas rebate, which is a $20,000 rebate that Southwest Gas is offering currently for clients that are looking to go solar to heat their water in lieu of using gas. This system will keep this pool heated 4 seasons. We've already installed a system for the clubhouse showers. They've already claimed to reduce their gas bill about $100. Now their bill is $20. If you're interested in solar thermal water heating for your house, for your jacuzzi, for your pool, for a commercial outfit, reach out, tenderhome.com, 480-436-2936. We'd love to investigate your project. Also, whether you're on electrical or gas, you will qualify for a solar tax credit of 30%.